Okay, so I'm going to walk you through doing this horizontal layout that we've got here using the Flex CSS property. So when we're doing a Flex layout, the items, so the 3 items we saw earlier, need to be inside a container element. So I'm just going to create a div. I'm going to give it a class name, and just for ease I'm going to call this container. I'm going to save this. So in the style CSS, I'm just going to create a selector for this container class and give it the style display flex. So this means that any contents that go inside this container will sort of go horizontally in a row. So I'll save that. So next I need to create my items. So again I'm creating divs, and for this one I'm just going to give them class names, item, and I'm going to fill these in with content. So I'm going to have an image. I'm going to leave these blank because what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one item with nothing really in it, and then copy it another 2 times. So I've got 3, and then just fill in the blanks. So I've got an image, h3, leaving that blank, and a paragraph, leave that blank. So what I can do is I can copy this item. So if I click on the beginning of the div, we can see it's underlined, and the end of the div is underlined here. So I can see exactly what I need to copy. So I copy, paste, and paste. So I've got 3 identical items. So I need to fill in these blanks. So I need to fill in the first src. So I'm going to choose this image here, copy project path, paste. I'm just going to put some random text in here and do the same for the others. Okay, so I've saved that. Let me just reload my page. We've got the 3 items side by side, but the images are hanging out of the items, so they're a little bit too big. So we need to fix that in CSS. So in CSS I need to create a selector that's going to select the image. So it's the image inside the item, so it's .item img. So to get an image to shrink to fit its container, we use the max width 100% property, and we can see that the images shrink to fit. Okay, so now I want to add some style for the item itself. So each one of those 3 items, I want to add a little bit of space around them. So I'm going to use padding. So it's going to add some space between the images. So I'm going to give it a value of 1 em. Save this, reload, and we've got 3 items in a row, all spaced out.